Okay, this is an exponential growth question. It says a patch of mold increases its area by 12% each day. Initially, the patch of mold has an area of A0. Find after how many days the area of the patch is 17 times A. Right, I'm just going to set out an equation here. This is just my exponential formula. If it starts with A0 and increases by 12% each day, goes up by the scale factor is 1.12, the multiplying factor I should say, and we're going to say n days, and so that's the nth term, that's the value, the size it will be after n days. Okay, it says the patch of mold is 17, how many days we want to find the patch of mold is 17 times A0. So just say let A equal 17 times A0. So we've got 17A0 is equal to A to the power of 0 times 1.12 to the power of n. And then what you can do, nice neat line, the A0s cancel out. You're just left with 17 equals 1.12 to the power of n. And then you can just say take logs. So I'm just going to say, I'm going to use the ln button just. Ln of 17 is equal to ln of 1.12 to the power of n. Now that line, very few people write that line in, and I don't myself, to be honest. But that's just ln of 17. This thing here, using your third rule of logs, that could just be written as n ln 1.12. And then ln of 17 gets divided by ln of 1.12 to give you your n. And let's see what that is. Right. That is going to be, using a different calculator, I don't even know how to use it. Ln of 17, and then divided by ln of 1.12, and I got 24.99999, and so on. So what they're going to be looking for is 25 days. There we go.